pleasure to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
Now, Josh, my boy, I'd love to give you that. A new car!
Okay, so we're gonna go take a look at something that God provided. And my wife was able to finagle getting 2 cars by trading in her Jeep. And this is what God provided for me. Wow, eh? I'm so thankful because I needed transportation so bad. I was just kind of distraught because, of course, I'm trapped at home. I can't really get out. But God provided this beautiful little machine for me. Of course, there's payments. It's all in her name because I got no credit or job or any of that. But God is providing, so this will help me get a job, a part-time job, other than delivery. Delivery is just totally just wrecking vehicles, so I can't be wrecking this new vehicle. Starts nice, look at that. So I'm so thankful. I don't know even what to think. I'm just flabbergasted, but God is the giver, and He provides a sequel that is so necessary. I was getting really depressed because I was sitting at home here and just trapped in the house. I couldn't go anywhere, but now this is a beautiful thing. But anyway, I wanted to do a little video and show you that God is so gracious, and He always provides, no matter what. I can't even express my thankfulness because it's impossible. And this is the grace of God given. So there you have it. A new car.
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curves, flattening the hills. Someday the mountain might get 'em, but the law never will. Making their way the only way they know how. That's just a little bit more than the law will allow. Just a good old boy, they wouldn't change if they could. Fighting the system like a true modern day Robin Hood.